What does sorry mean? Sorry can mean a few things, so let's have a little think about it, Year 2. Feeling sorry is when you have done something wrong and regret it. So you might say, I'm sorry that I shouted at you. If something bad has happened to someone, you might feel sorry for them. You might say, I'm sorry that you hurt your arm. Or sometimes you can say the word when you are asking someone a favour. You might say, sorry, could I please borrow a pen? Think about a time when you have said sorry. Have a little look at these 2 examples. Let's take a look at this first one up here. My little brother kept following me around. I got cross and shouted at him. He started to cry. I felt really bad and apologised to him. Or, I had to say sorry to my sister when I accidentally dropped her tablet and smashed the screen. On this screen, Year 2, you can see examples of different times of when you might need to say sorry. When you've had an argument with someone, when you've not told the truth, when you have been angry and hurt someone, when you have been rude to someone, when you have not kept a promise, or when you have left someone out and not played with them. How can I show someone I am sorry? We all make mistakes and do things that aren't always right. It can be hard to say sorry and apologise for what we have or haven't done. So, for today's activity, Year 2, I'd like you to think of some ideas that show you are sorry. Here are some examples. Number 1, you could say sorry and give the person you have upset a hug. You could write a letter to say you are sorry. Or number 3, you could do something nice for the person you have upset. What I'd like you to do this afternoon, Year 2, is to make a pic collage showing different ways of saying sorry. Or, if you prefer, you could draw a picture of a time when you have said sorry for something that you have done. Hope you enjoy the activities. Please remember, if you manage to complete the activity, send it back to me on Google Classroom.